Hiya crafters, Amy here with a quick card with some critter cuteness. So I have some pre-batched items that I'm going to pull together to make an easy peasy card for you today. Now this is my chocolate box full of background goodness. So I don't know if you have something similar, but bust it out, have a go, create some cards. So just kind of flipping through, don't entirely know what direction I want to go. That's a really cool stencil from Colorful Life Designs. I'm going to need to bust that one out soon. That's really fun. Really fun stencil. Anyway, I'm just kind of flipping through what I got. Got backgrounds aplenty, every sort of technique you can imagine. Stenciling, Nouveau shimmer powders, stamping, washi tape, embossing, pigment ink, distress sprays, foiling, layered stamping, all the things. Anyway, it's kind of ridiculous. I have a ton, but in this case, I want to use one of them just to pull together a quick card. So I'm just kind of flipping through again. Got some more embossed on colored cardstock, stenciled then embossed. Again, more Nouveau shimmer powders, heat embossing. That was a really cool background with Nouveau shimmer powders, I think. Alcohol ink. Haven't done that in a while. So loads of different techniques. If you're curious of all different techniques, I do have all different playlists on my channel. If you want to go to the home page when you're done here, take a look. There are, I don't even remember how many hundreds of videos now for you to choose from. So this isn't going to be as much about technique as it is just kind of pulling together a fun card. This stencil is from a Colorful Life Designs. Super cute. Here's a photo of the finished card to show you the direction we're headed. But again, I'm just using pre-batched items here to pull together an easy card. So I have this background. It was stenciled. The name is evading me. I can't remember if I put it on here. If not, I will link it in the video description box below with all the other available products. But I did use that cool die to kind of give it that interesting edge. And now I'm flipping through my critter book. This is my storage solution for pre-made critters. These are baseball card protector sheets. That is an MFT stamp with dragons. Again, I don't remember the name, but I will link it below. And if you do follow any of my links, that's no additional cost to you, and it really does help me out a lot. Now, this foam tape is my current favorite because I don't know if the post office is getting a little bit more stickler, but I've had some mail come back for thickness that I wouldn't normally. So this foam is a bit of a game changer. This is the 1 millimeter thick, 1 inch wide foam tape from scrapbook.com. I will link it below. If I forget, please let me know in the comments. But it gives it just a little bit of dimension, but not too much. So hopefully it's not going to come back and bite me through the post office. So again, I'm going to use just a little bit more to pop up this dragon. But again, it's still not going to be super bulky. But I'm going to put it right in the center of this stenciled heart on the composition just to kind of make it the focal point of the design. I don't really know which direction I'm going. I just wanted to play with these items because they're cute and it's what I felt like playing with today. So that's a benefit of kind of saving the time in advance and having a lot of stuff ready to go. If you're not feeling particularly inspired or don't want to do the entire step, or if you need a card in a pinch, if you have a lot of this stuff ready to go on hand, then you can pull together a card or multiple cards super quickly. Now here I decided to actually get the stamp set out because I want to use some of the punny sentiments. There's so many cute ones with these MFT stamps. I love their sentiments, and I decide I want to actually follow that theme with this card. So I think it says, "I'm my best when I'm with you." I don't know. I don't remember exactly what it says, but I'll show you in a moment when I finish stamping. I'm just going to bust out my Misty. They're kind of stuck together. These magnets are strong. But I'm going to bust out my regular size Misty, original size, and do some stamping with the closest color I can think of. It looks like I used a Distress Oxide here. Just going to do a little test stamp just to make sure. But I think that's Dusty Concord is the color that I chose because I felt like that would match with the ink blending that I had on the panel, and it did end up matching very well. So just going to stamp on the front. It says, "I'm my best when I'm with you." Then I'm going to turn it and open it up and stamp something on the inside, which again I'll show you in a moment. But now I want to pick some blingage. So there are so many different options that would have worked here. There are over 100 colors of card bling in the shop now at a Colorful Life Designs. If you aren't familiar, this is a small woman-owned business in Texas. The majority of her products are stencils, but she does have some stamps, and she has this gorgeous blingage in the shop. So again, that stencil background And this blingage is from that Woman Don't Business in Texas. And do use my coupon if you shop for anything, AmyFan10, and you'll save on your complete order. So here I decided to go with Rainbow Pearl Twilight. I felt like that was the best match. I put it through an odd smattering on the front of the card. And then on the inside, it says, "We are invincible together." So a little bit of a strange card, but my daughter loves dragons. I'm sure this is headed her way. I kind of had her in mind when I was making it. So just leave it as a little pick-me-up card someday after school for her. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you next time.